Hello.
Hello, Bình Ấn.
What's your name?
My name is Kim.
And how old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
What color do you like?
I like pink.
And what animal do you like?
I like
Cat?
rabbit.
Oh, rabbits. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Look here. What letter do you see?
A apple. A. B. One.
Bus.
Bus. Bone.
Okay, good. Next one.
Z.
C.
C. Cat. Kite.
Okay, all right. Come sit nicely. Letter D.
D. Dog.
Duck.
Duck.
Okay, what letter?
Z.
Letter E.
E. E.
E. Egg.
F. I.
Next. F.
F. Sheep. Fox.
Fish.
Fish. Fox.
What letter?
E.
Letter G.
Z.
Carry on.
Grapes.
And what's that? It's a...
Dog.
No, it's a goat.
Goat.
What letter is it?
Z.
No, it's letter H.
X. House. Hat.
Okay. What letter is it?
C.
No.
I. I green insect.
What letter is it?
G.
No, letter J.
J. Jacket. Sun.
What letter is it?
E.
Letter K.
K. T. K.
Kite.
K.
Kite.
K.
What letter is it? What letter is it?
E.
Nope, it's letter L.
L. Diamond. Lamp.
Lion.
Lion.
Lamp.
Lamp.
What letter is it?
Lee.
What letter is it?
Me.
Letter M.
M.
M is for...
Moon. Mouse.
What letter is it? What letter is it? It's letter N.
M.
N is for...
No. Lumber.
What letter is it?
O.
O is for...
O. Orange.
Onion.
Onion.
What letter is it?
Pink. Pencil. Pig.
Okay, what letter is it?
Q. Q.
Queen.
Green.
Quilt.
Quilt.
What letter is it?
R. Rabbit. Red.
What letter is it?
X. Sun. Sheep.
Ship.
Ship.
What letter is it?
I.
Nope.
T. Toy. Jojo.
What letter is it?
U. Umbrella. Unicorn.
What letter is it?
Z.
Nope.
Z.
No, it's not letter G. Letter V.
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 V. Violin.
Violin.
Violin. One.
What letter is it?
W. Whale. War.
What letter is it?
G.
Nope.
X.
X.
X. X-ray. Xylophone. I, yellow,
Is it letter I or letter Y?
white,
Okay. What letter is it?
zebra, zoo,
Yeah, zebra.
zebra,
Bra. Zebra.
zebra.
Okay, look at the farm animals. What do you see?
I see a yellow cat.
Good. What do you see?
I see a brown dog.
What do you see?
I see a green and brown duck.
What do you see?
I see a pink pig.
What do you see?
I see blue rabbit.
What do you see?
I see a brown
A white sheep.
sheep.
What do you see?
I see a red and white rooster.
Okay, what do you see?
I see a brown moose
Horse.
horse.
What do you see?
I see a brown dog. Goat.
What do you see?
I see a black and white cow.
What do you see?
I see a green hen.
What do you see?
I see a gray goose.
Goose.
Loose.
Goose.
Loose.
G.
G.
Goose.
Loose.
Okay, thank you very much.